Nibaga sana mutegeri wa Meru TV ko watoke nikiri gicunji gitu ke biele ke mubango yo Njorua Citu yore yuko yera tuko chionde ache kiumia akana cha Sunday kumatha yele chia ugorori kana akine mubango yo tuke gicunji gitu ke mbere turari na Faith wanja uraromba kuthura gitutariria mantu lakini ndakwira kiri gicunji ke mbere yari aketumenyana twaranire tumenyana lakini ndi mantu nende yetete kwambiriria atete na mbere kumenya Faith no wengwa ni bibiongo byotuma ethira agitwika Njorua rikana gututhia terekire mitandao yetu yo kinyanire Facebook Meru TV Kenya Twitter @Meru TV KE kana kinyakire mitandao yetu yo website ni www.merudigital.co.ke na tuko chonde kureterete mubango ya Njorua Citu nyugambita muthoni uwakira mana karibu sana Madam Faith. Round 2 yes. Araka mbere ugitukethia rambere no atwire wi muciari mwekuru nende itukwenda kumenya part iyo yotwika muciari yotwika mwekuru yotwika mami mantu ya uyonde kenda twita na mbere no kumenya menda kwire twakumenya tukumenye kabisa ukiumao ai ngomwa tukumenyete buru karibu
chora mbugire mbita wa Faith wanja mbuga muthoni akwenda mbuga muka na ndini gitara kuongera ngeto Faith wanja mucemi ndendo cokeria muntu witwa Hilary mucemi kimori nkatho no tubwa kumbethia makuru wawe na maisha yetu Mungu natutharimite na twana tutatu yes na ndinjiji muthoni arenda mbira ategeri
how is motherhood munyanuchi safari ya gutwika mwekuru gutwika mami itithaira ya nene kana igwa nene kibonde
yes
no kwethera rugendo roku mami na mwekuru tirokwa na tirorongi gutwike rugendo ni roku
ndenda kwira antu o antu be rugendo rwa mwanya na nkani antu gutega rugendo rwa Faith kana rwa muthoni menyera rugendo rwaku no tu rugendo rwaku unique story rankauga na aru atewe muthoni
yes
muthoni tukamuria story we na aru tefi koguo muntu ena their unique story na tutige kuthingata story chiitha na aria mtandaoni muntu ati kumama no tunakwiririria mukuru wa muthoni kana mucore wa muthoni kana njaje muthoni Murungu ekite muntu o aria atumeka kumbega marriage Murungu ikaya muntu aria agatimiza purpose
yes
nontu antu rira bakamenya Murungu no ritangu imuthoni uni ndamenyere Murungu Catholic life lakini ndeja kumenya Murungu the hard way
yes
through my darkest moments idankera mutegere na ndaize Murungu ndi mu Catholic lakini urambize Murungu na agwa different nonto muntu uganaize Murungu bwina personal relationship
yes
ndiyo kuwa personal relationship njera bwina na mukuru kana na boyfriend if you're not married kwa unande kumenya muntu intimately kumenya Murungu keundene yani urabiga muntu akiwa ndetere Murungu okwa
narambitika kwa muntu akiwa nimbere ya Murungu na karanthea na karanthea
tukahava conversation iyo ni nande personal relationship na Murungu kwa unande my relationship with mukuru okwa gucokera Murungu katho ni njega itwaragia ituteta tukira naira lakini itwendene na ana betu mwathana twete ana bathatu na karia kanini nande inandigetite kwamiria baby class na ndina inya mwana mu university kwa mbona I'm not so young and I'm not old
so young not young and not old
yes yes ntukaigua mtu ena mwana university na mtu ena gatitite baby class ni kuimagine ya yes
wow
na ibwega no ntubwa gipindi kiki ya Njorua sekuru tukiaririe family life family ite easy muthoni lakini mbere antu banga family kuri kwendekara ucoke na ndi wite Murungu gatigati ugeta mami oku ugeta mother-in-law ugeta your father kana your father-in-law your siblings your friends Murungu gatigati ayo mengine atajipanga uti family tikibira barwagaira uti family tikibira badekaira uti family tina challenges lakini the difference is katigati are Murungu ari nio tusovaira mathina nontu kwi mathina jamu gwitharo wina jo ukauga kethira uni njizi Murungu mukurundu makuringa turi urimwe lakini ndio rikana kwina muntu ungi agatigati irio kombanya kuromba msamana barabara yo most of the time ibunya bena makosa but ukeja kwiritana kwinyia kwina gitumi kire Murungu ugire mukuru enda mwekuruku nontu the guarantee of wendo utewotitithiria muntu utewote murekera inyalithĩtie bung'ana no teu utemwitikiria na bungi kiria giatumire Murungu era mwekuru submit what is submission? Submission is more than love. Ko batu nandi uri akuru bathugana ibo batwendete tubendete plus twina kau kangi kera submission nyabo ateta wetu ogetika mbere yana na ugatheka nyarire uthuri ugasmile that is submission na nyarire uthuri ukarua nyarire uthuri nguo ukaura bara bathura muntu atiurire nyamukurungu it is not in the Bible kwa winyo uthuro kamenya ngugi ciaku itigaruka na mbuga kira gituma nandi nje cietu itukarika indathura na aru ruju ndiruga breakfast ndiruga lunch utimenya ni mbiage kira gita kumenya muntu ageta atia it is unfair thura but kabo ga strike back na kuthithia better thing na rugire twinto tutwega thuru ogoro nyora ruita sapendo ukiro breakfast a better one muntu strike ya horia mwekurure rwize bauga ntuku inya wona akiri muno you should worry even much
kwanza umenya kugora uramubwithite
umenya kugora bibite na muntu ati ushugurika kuda ndi antu bamenye kurutumenye kuchi express ikuthura guteta rimwinya gukira silent is also an answer kuna ndi antu babera ntizi ndikiritu itagutumirwo muntu akerwa silent is not a communication in marriage it is no ndo antu awari ambaya kabukirite sometimes even when you expressing yourself nina ntizi ethira ditwita na wantu batenda atwa human beings no ndo rira wirirwe ati orwa rukiriru gairio na urembu no how is that possible muntu nabatere kumenya mantu jare ukathithia it comes back as a share na ndi antu ibori antu bobona azeka bagwiritu irigurie mukuru kuri na atagwita itambuga kwetu mantu ombo kwirotithira yokambira kuthithia gwaku na barindi ikeza kuja ko marriage it is what you put in is what you get out antu ibati gyotia iri ko na ndethero ugo we muntu uri onkarango every day no uga karangiro ko na ndi family they are not easy modoni but we've vowed to stick in our families lakini to stick irira muntu oguchunya to stick irira muntu okuurirana you know in a way to explain it is better safe than to be sorry yes
wow kwina muntu ambirire we no tunaburi kinyage twate kinyaka urwa na kuruna penyana baile ambira na urawa indi akire wakona hana baune ndi aitari ana bakura batinethe bakamura kianda ndinari hano ntubutu tiriana ndi nyumbe mwi no tundandi ateja akambere nyekethire ngore unia chusi tukuria mtu yo mwiri kiate
muntu jo mbuga ate Kenya no ndo muthoni ikisi singana chiantu tukona bakiurawa
wengi
na rĩrĩa ũgũgũrairwo tigana baku irio bateithia utabateithia kumbere antu there are so many ways of solving problems kwina njira nyingi na waigwe buru mwekuru utumumba murudishe kwao antu na ndio uturana guiltiness menya womba kuringa muntu nyote utitiari muntu agakua so nande ukona muntu no mirendu no raire mwekuru na mbuga it was not your intention you don't wira sometimes even walking away ni tuman muntu ntomurumia akachokaniria mathugani na bwekuru baria batuma muntu agaitia munga agakinye iguru ria metha tafadhali uti muntu utize spouse yowe riria bwambaniririo chokaniria nwizi ari utibatere okuruka ti okuruka na mukuru riria wigirwe mwekuru akiari na mbuga nyamantu ja kuga ijama sometimes ethera no kuigwa buru okira ukaringa muntu walk out kuna ndi atulan the best ways of solving issues, conflicts in marriage is not kuhura mwekuru. Ndirio kuhura mwekuru kumbere yana baku. What information are you giving them? Menyana aba kuthoma. Na ndiria ringi ndari ande ndiria ntu ndabera mwana amenya ithe akamatinyina. Ndirio ukamatite mwana na kumenya my dad is 1 2 3. Muciari okwa atebui muciari okwa na ririo kinyere gitara kuringa mwekuru akamatite mwana ugutire akaro kwenda no ntupenie nyina negumukinyira kuna ndimbere antu relationships mena ndi turikia the way we were brought up in our marriages kethira wonere mami okwa akiurwo throughout koguo gwenyarire guteta mukuru okwa kinyana areguru nyoringwa utukira because you're used to that life of conflict lakini andi umenye uri okurerana baku are you making it a generational curse no batere ku break that curse for the sake of your children no nduko uga uninya twateta kwiro tutetanga wacha tu sometimes uko wenya sore no tivithite makosa nambira mukuru okwa tiranda kwira sore no miote undithiti one time I will take that sorry back how do I do that ndiria no akathithie tumandu ngwenda mbira sore akambira sore na
magita
so in marriage ibu batere kumenya how do you solve your problems na thina riria chaumanuka wize kwire mwe thina muntu no kura throughout konja into bya kwete okwenu kethiro otina kwenu eta mutene na kabandi kaba twatelayo muntu imoyo antu atutelayo na nyinorairo nyinorawe ithete njera ko wana bari what have you done to your family kuna ndi uti marriage ite conflict but how do you handle your conflicts kenda ana bamenya antu ibateta lakini this is how conflicts are solved peacefully no ntu inyana ibokora inyana bakage their own families baindikana rira ndona my mom baki disagree which was very rare no ntu atiari bambere ibaije kwitha ni na araba only I've never seen my father and my mother argue in public
bankuma ko argue bedroom na bakarikire matu cyo
na in fact the other day twaruga my friend uko kure kurunya baunguma na una bakaoro na akauma na akina soba it was a bad way of solving conflict but that privacy batu yana tutonere gogo ni naro mukuru kwa mndake arantete rantwira mata nonto it starts somewhere kuna ndi tuambirie kuandu ara starting point gogo muntu atumana aru aringwa rwe mudono umana aru atirwa akiara otirwa akiara ogetera rwe that get people from church, get your friends, get your parents, kaba me mukuru okwa tweteretere
atekubwa
lakini those people behind their husbands kana their spouse ukahaindi no tutikwenda ka community uga tutikwenda ngino purity bamenye itoteta ndugoro karingwo kyanto bakoro bakawi uiga wanto bakiuga every time they were peaceful family kuka abantu baraburinga woka ugambu munga ntura yonde kamyanura audi utuko no ntu mukuru athano mwaga tutongithia kai
being a mother na mwekuru in this generation nya tuina hera ingi sometimes no ure kinya kumielewa thaya na banendi tuiba bring up na mathimu by so exposed kurugana ndi itwere ibathomire ti abara batene batathomine ndi ukari housewives mwekuru wa ingugine arita ngugine rukiri mukuru agitoro bagatirimana being a mother and a wife kin generation ni explain yate
ndenda kwira it is a transition that uninde kwewa mwana my second born na indari na all the love that I needed indaigagwa my cup is becoming empty no tumba ko give from an empty cup ngaigwa nukuthirirwa na riria muntu ugukinya menya tutumba ko sense ugukwira ukinya ukaigwa nunogi enough is enough not the mwe nyote tetetwe timwe but transition ni motherhood ni chumburanto na ni yandu bamwe depressed bwa mbere buramenyeretie gwitania mukuru bukejara ithano cio tukuburite ome na ndi ari ithano cio tukuna ugo nurugite na atiririo na most of the time atukwire nyina uma na we na kana akaririre kuma rukirire etire munga gata mama good for a woman. How does that feel? It is exhausting, it is depressing na mwekuru akarega kumenyerwa at that point iro wona muntu akio ai mwekuru kuma kwe wana ntizo uri akariri no you lost yourself. We lose ourselves in motherhood. Uninde kuigwa at that point na uninde na a lot of love from my siblings kuma ki mukuru kwa kuma ki my parents kweonda igirwe something is missing. Kuyo kuigwa yani uni have become empty ngonenkanira everything munganda atigwa glass ye kwere empty so I looked for a way of filling my glass ngicho anjire ku fill the glass. I called my 3 friends ndavera this is what I'm feeling we need to talk. The time we went out I went and talked ndachokire ndi nyumba a different person na nchokire mukuru kwa kago muntu kuma undi kwambirio mwira I need time to unwind na mpeza ruga na mpambesa ngeta ngakarandi somewhere alone hara slopes imai beje temo bakezo mbona ninkanaga ukunya wetateza mungarira ngetana no they have developed that habit with me. I've come to bring myself together na eneo tuita self love tulitane corona arua self love uwana bathukire bakuthukira mukuru na skuru na ngugine you are also expected to deliver. How do you do that on an empty cup? You can't. Iro wethera muntu etheri munene etirimana muntu akigwithagia no to stress ile nacho
inyaka kumona nyati kona muntu kithira kuina muntu nyara kuina nwe
uti muntu tetherwe kind lakini experiences kana manzo jero gwitira muthoni jatuma kindness ikaura no to nandi urona like everybody is an additional problem in both engi kuna ndi ukaigwa antu bakiwa mbocio mwekururi no muthuku muno niki mwekuru akamatite the whole world in our shoulders family ana na abuya nandi how do she make you understand her in a simple way kuna ndi mwekuru sometimes to meet a burnout when you're burning out konja ngoshi yaku eta somewhere nduko we are going for prayers eta nduko inga na ijiri ithira mukuru ku trust ete inawe undienda gwita maromba for 2 days muntu akaigwa fine now take care of children you can go no ndo naije oni na we've come from different world already differently jauna ndinje gishagi mukuru wako already town we are together we cannot become a pack unless kwena other ways of solving to conflicts mwera uninogi so when I walk out na ndaria my friends ndachokere ndi very fresh na I made it a habit from that time ekumara nyomba rokere chamtu eti office ine nakachokoro I have dealt with all the conflicts gwiteti andanoga go apologize ndanoga na rimwe nyoka igwankiringa rimonga uga eve omwendo antu kwiri ari akinda batere kuwa sorendekera ko in that moment of loneliness uga ya urinda batere kwa
iyo kinya uchielea wano kaimenya kuruki kinya mathithero kubwithio kamenya we hapa nilikosea na ilikuwa inafaa niombe msamaha alafu utikintu kingi easy in marriage takuga I'm sorry lakini uti muntu enda kuga I'm sorry but it is the easiest thing unde mondo makuringa thimonga wenya I'm sorry ngoro for what ngataranirie mantu nya muntu atizi if they are a mistake lakini from that point
imbona muntu agaruka gorora uga imbie orenda kuthi. You know, now you've given someone a chance to think that you're thinking about me. You're thinking about my well-being. Na iro wona mukuru endete mtuti wate muthithiri. Niki in that moment to realize nilikosa, unaomba msamaha. Lakini mbere kuru niteromba msamaha ndete. Na ndomba nyako wondoka rimwe. It is in my right to deal na what I'm feeling. De mwarume betu boiga ai kaunande no kaka kuthuritie kumegoro. Give me time to heal. And don't dictate the time I'm supposed to heal. The healing process is taking place in me. So allow me to heal.
Wow.
Menya muntu uga ndirezire nchereri ndawandekera. Obatere ondekera na tukagwata na njara tugete seriously. Maybe I took that time to cry, to regret even why I married you, to regret nikinya ntiere na wana uchoke na ndi ways that moment ugire so respect the world will be the same. No. Allow a woman, we are emotions women. Wait through the emotion kenda wirekera. Kweri nyoka it was not even worth kuthurwa nthuriu. You know, kuna ndinya kire ndirathurite sario discovete tomanto wachoka kamenya ni urongo. That feeling of guiltness after gotete after kuthura ukarega inya kwaria muntu that night you go back and say I am very sorry. And that's the simplest thing of healing a marriage.
Now, kuya mtunende kurubaba watu kwa depression ikinya batiarakia. Kagita karamu kurona kana kuireta wa postpartum depression. Na kwina mtu ambirire kwina mukuru twaraki nwambira akiuni ndikumenya na atiankari no ntuga indethura asira chiako chonde mwana nguturikiria. Kaita kara kinya mwana menyana barina bonu ikurirarira na rire na gwatire gantu burate kubati kugwata na kwithire na gintu aguchuna na kugwithire nyathimu ukona kagita kara ambire nyikurira mwekurwa aregwato ni asira araka akaringa nya mwana ora imwana nyate kumekira ringirwe imbi mwana kinya igenjero u aringire nyathimu yawa amukunyula ambira ntikwelewa nibyo ko bikwendelea na uni.
Yes.
Ekuri abatu kubate twabateithia ate kana wina any platform,
of course,
any group platform ya kubathomethia ya kubera it is okay waigua do this.
So from that point what you've described, you know yamba idea from exhaustion.
Yes.
No te muntu kwelewa. Our husbands bamenye kwithirwa wina mwana munini imunoga. Imunoga kuma gukira monka kumama. Na inyatorwe umenya tutemama otu.
Inyatoro tinyo tukwake.
Nande wina toro accumulated.
Yes.
Wina munoga jwa mwiri. Kwe mundu wo kuthoria. What happens? Mwekuru weja sensitive to everything. Iron kwera antu atiri. Ukeza kujukia kana kau gakuntu kwe uwo gakaira. Ukaringira yo mom ndi mwomwera uni mami narua. Kejo utinda mwana ontu kwenge mwe. Oni nongate kuthuka kiongo. Kana a friend. Na mbere kuru friends. Ukeza kuthuru utina muntu umbotigira mwana kuna arua. Nduko yonde kumbaro kiri monkogoro no kaigwa we at peace utimuchore uremo. Kuru how do we rate our friends? Kethira wina muchore nethiru ijana baku imbi bendete imbi batendete ni atabombokara. How can I help her? The moment na kwajo no kethira muchore jirenja na take those shoes na amenyerana. But riro tina muchore mbuga make your mother your friend.
Yes.
Janande in today's we don't trust anybody. Inyo chore burita buikuja. No, to the more you keep telling your friend about your family, some of us we take advantage of what is happening in your home. Na ikyo kuona tuwa mundu wa mwekuru ngineki. It all starts from mukurure oku. No, to the moment you start thinking your friend will do 1, 2, 3, oga ayo ni kabanyandeke kuringa ni mwanto anigira mudo ni nonto eza gwakwa. She's 1, 2, 3, she's more bother than when you are alone. So if you're friend to somebody, number one unimbera achore bakwa the reason why mpombete gwika my girlfriends kuma childhood nyamukuru okona izi intiza akuru bawo na atiendete kumenya akuru bawo na atiendete akuru bawo bamenya. I'm sorry to say it on TV. If you're my friend, I know you with your children, not in a bad way. No tuimbize kira kiumbo tuma oni na mudoni tumenana mukuru na mukuru kwa ku to avoid that. I'm sorry ntenguwe na akuru achore bakwa but ana bao they can camp in my house and stay there for a week. Nature natunywe na bathambwiza na bakona bamame and everything. Na ndibere antu how do you create boundaries kendo chore butu kugabwa kwa na mudoni blast tekana mukoro mudoni nyama ditwa jawe most of them my friends either they will watch this bakale kanonto ibaije tuombo tirimani ya chukuru ukaigwa mtu embira nwetheo ukona ndigarire ngaku not to have never met this person. Na tuendene kuma tureari. So what am I trying to say? There is a way you can maintain your friends. Not to name my girlfriends. They can testify that intija koroba ndete ono. Story ya weze wakwa blah blah blah.
Worry.
But I know their children. No ndingiro dimo irepose ngero mwana my friend Faith is unwell na ngenda kajukia mwana ngaike hospitali na ngakara mwana mukanyi nakeza. I'll do that. So nande tumenyere uchorevera muntu no gwita muchore tafadhali no ntwe kurora twitite na rituria enemies of each other. Let us come back to the park. Kiendelea muthoni akuga ringira muchore kwa masezere mwana kwa ndenwe studio muthoni na ije. She doesn't have a reason to worry mukorore orenja. But if she is feeling that my friend angomba kweta she will do one to, she will not have a friend. Not nadi to develop a generation of not having friends. Nato kera na you can be okay alone.
Wow, of which
you can't.
You cannot. Na tukitana mbere arau mwambiriro twambiririo twira ogweta mantu jegi on dark moment na what you did during that time nende ni urante kumenya dark moment kiethera ugatweleza yo to get into your shoes.
Yes,
tumenya the kind of dark moment iro kumba kuthrokia rithe.
In 2021 ndai wakana gakwa bwega kama my last born. And I was a very happy mother. Nontu ndakamatite mwana kwa bwega munketi nyanda nenkero mwana and I was very happy. Lakini after some few days, like 48 hours, ndambire ku develop pain, stomach pain. I remember that night ndateri nyamwana nontu bomuri mojure ndareaju. I didn't have a place for me and for that baby. It was me alone. Go I left my daughter wherever she was and I struggled the whole night. Mudoni ndendo kwera muri mojure ndeterire that time. You know weta daktari wezo gekiro painkiller. It didn't work. Gekiro painkilling. It didn't work. Una ndio corona area nurses, they are tired, they are busy to kwere na wachionde cha pain. There is nothing we can do. So I was left with that pain alone. But in that moment, I didn't know what to do. So I ndanenkira mwekuru mweti munda muraringira mukuru kwa mwirare wo mbibero rukere. This is what he's supposed to do. Anabakwa 1 2 3 tariro kwiga 1 2 3 let them be 1 2 3 nanda mwira ukamisi even a word no kongera a word inda ize I'll not make it till daylight. But let me tell you, I struggled ndarangwete mushuma jo andirisha where I was in my bed monga wakia. The way the Bible talks about pain at night and the daytime. Okay, I was okay. Kwa my husband akuringiro the more to kwerwa what is happening. I'm sure he was like, you can't come at that time. But the kumine mona ari sibitari na mbithira ndi murimo yukugwa impambiriri nyocho amwana kwa mwekuru mwajukirie ningucokiria nkatho akiwiriro yiwa ajukirie kana gakwa gakundia nani na akamamia maguruni. She didn't wake up the whole night. Ndaigua akirira ngitega mwana na maguruni, so I picked my daughter na ndamirio nurse. That pain didn't come again. But na ndini kuria daktari what was happening, ndaerwe a response nderwa uterus ilikuwa jaribu, unajua ito mantu vera twira omudoni
kidhumba.
Kwa unande we musiari unachukua hiyo uchungu kama uzazi. No gatieza na nande kuthangika nontu ethe indeterekana kandi guru mithangikwe inafaa kukua. Ndathangika, so it went out. Ndiko discharge, it was on a Friday. The town Saturday I was well. Sunday ndendo kwera muthoni Sunday. Peni rechokera na ndechoka na bojowe.
Na biojojo.
Na the ancestors.
Yes.
Kunda igawojeka kiungu gitangwa. Ntumba kugwata mwana. Ntumba konke mwana kana ka 1 week. So I neglected my daughter. Ndaiko sibitari. So I was admitted. Ndaadmitwa infection ita sepsis. Baraba is sepsis anto bate survivor sepsis. But I survived by the grace of God.
Amen.
Kenda antukwe mumbithira ndi antethie mwekuru. Monka narwentira kethire indaugire ndi sibitari ampume from where I was. I go and seek another opinion. Infection iwe thingi kuzura mwiri. Go from my darkness, kana from the point of not knowing, no, to that is when Elimisha mama was born. From that pain, ndawa mwekoro. Diri kamatire mwana. Menya kina. Menya mwambere danger signs. Menya bojairi mantu amaingi. Tigo kamata mwana otinda Facebook. Tafadhali, there are so much you can learn. Kenda utigetire the shoes of what I went through.
Wow.
No ndakarire sibitari mugonya kwikana gakwa kalekera sibitari ka muntu tusinda no you know. Na all along I was thinking mekironda gitora. If I had done something else, I would seek another opinion. Ndekuma unageta the same hospital nkalivire with me daktari aringi kumenya kwena infection na akambiria antibiotics. But I stayed because I didn't know. Uriwo murimo kaiwe lasima mbuga chuna ndeno kwa tafadhali ekoro. Murimo jo motizo wa kawaida. Na kithumo giakwa na kampeni kwa na arwere tumitembelirwa ndea. Ikwira mwekoro menya giano umenyo. Elimika kwa sababu kethiro tina any knowledge. Dai ngero antina knowledge ngira siero zirurea ngakwinyonda. But if it is here and I have the knowledge it is here inkonyoro zero. Kunda ndaumagitande nekiuge sibitari bwamberema I disturbed the doctors everywhere. Ndabera mwekuru the waje. And there is a very big gap between kira mwekuru ije akamatire mwana. Kenda mwana achiarwa na atomba kumenyera mwana ni atuthitha yora twirawa wero itia mote utekuria dikino ndungwero mbiti no tizi uwe kawaida.